Welcome to Precision Loopers, the leading U.S. manufacturer and a global supplier of tufting gauge parts. Precision was started in 1995 by Gary Brock, with over 25 years of carpet industry experience. Precision is now the largest U.S. manufacturer of tufting gauge parts, employing the nation's most talented machinist at a 15,000 square foot production site. Our product range includes high-speed steel hooks and loopers, tip patch products, modules, knives, mending guns, and many other tufting accessories. Please join us for the next few minutes as we take you on a tour of our production facility. People often underestimate the amount of work involved in the production of our high-quality gauge parts. The quality of our parts is measured by the consistency of their thickness, their wear resistance, and their repeatability from one part to the next and from one batch to the next. Precision parts are manufactured using high-quality, wear-resistant raw materials and are monitored by our experienced machinist at each step of the production process. This process is very labor-intensive, with a standard product undergoing approximately 30 production processes. As previously stated, all parts are produced from high-quality tool steel, which is purchased in large quantities. This steel is chosen for its wear-resistant characteristics. The first production step begins with lasering. This is where the initial part profile is cut. All these parts are designed using software, which nests the parts on flat sheets of steel ranging from 2 inches in width up to 72 inches in length. This technology allows us to design or redesign parts very quickly, offering a very distinct advantage over our competitors who still use dated die press technology. Simply, a new design only requires a computer change rather than new tooling. This has reduced our sampling and product lead time as much as 3 to 4 weeks. On average, the laser machine cuts over 5,000 parts per day. After the parts are lasered, typically in quantities of 2,000, the next process is the milling of the insert pocket. This is done in-house on Precision's newest piece of equipment, a CNC Haas vertical milling machine. Each hook is held in place by a template manufactured in-house and is milled using a carbide end mill. This is a time-consuming process, with the average run of 2,000 parts taking a minimum of 12 man-hours. With over 150 current shape variations, our product range is very diverse. Our machining capability also gives us the flexibility to produce whatever our customers require. Next, the parts are hardened, which is the most critical manufacturing process. All high-speed steel products are manually fed by hand and heat-treated by an open flame reaching a temperature of over 1,800 degrees. Our high-speed steel maximum hardness is RC65, making our products the longest-lasting and most rigid parts on the market. Each product is checked continuously on our Rockwell tester to ensure consistent hardness throughout the batch. Precision was the first U.S. manufacturer to develop the silver soldering process, which is where the tungsten insert is bonded or brazed to the metal. From this point forward, the hooks will begin to look more like a finished product. The first step toward accomplishing this is flat grinding, which is where the part will be finished to its final thickness for insertion into a machine hook bar. Each hook is placed on a magnetic chuck, which holds between 80 to 700 parts, depending on the size of the part. Each part is surface ground on each side, and each grinding procedure lasts between 30 to 45 minutes, producing on average 500 parts every hour. Straightening is also a very critical process and helps to ensure that the part is on gauge when placed in the machine. Because of this, Precision can ensure that parts will be on gauge when placed in the tufting machine. With single parts and module parts, we hold a tolerance of plus or minus 3 thousandths of an inch. Each tufting knife is also manually inspected for straightness and manipulated between two steel rods until it is visually straight. This is a complicated procedure and requires years of experience. Precision machinists take pride in the consistency of the parts they produce and take steps to ensure this in the throat heights, needle clearance, and throat consistency of each part. This is done using our computer-controlled surface grinders and specially made fixtures. Parts are randomly checked throughout the process using measuring tools to assure part consistency within the production run and between batches. Each surface grinder is equipped with specially engineered grinding wheels which give a clean and consistent grind. Each step is done with job-specific fixtures. There are also other part processing requirements such as slotting and pointing which require special fixturing developed in-house. Our fixturing ability allows us to machine any clearance required for any application. Before the process of sharpening, the parts are placed in a vibratory bowl and tumbled to remove machining burrs and clean the parts. Following this, the parts are dried to help prevent rust. The last step before molding or packaging is done manually on a bench grinder. This soft polishing wheel removes only the burrs that could snag yarn during the tufting process and produce off-quality carpet. In addition to our single parts, Precision has developed the capacity to manufacture cast modules and is the only U.S. manufacturer to do so. Precision offers a complete line of molded products including needle, hook, looper, and reed finger modules. Though Precision employees continually monitor quality throughout the manufacturing process, one final inspection is performed before packaging. This process is necessary to identify and eliminate the chance of off-quality parts being sent to our customers. Precision's focus is on becoming your partner, and we continue to develop better processes and better products to allow us to better serve you in the tufting industry. With a full line of products, Precision prides itself on having the best selection, best quality, and on being the best source for your tufting needs. We appreciate your business and look forward to growing with you.